Hey everybody, Jared here for Heat Press Nation. Have you ever wondered why there are different blades, why they're measured in degrees, or what the blade offset even does? In this video, we're going to answer those questions just for you. Now, each blade is designed for a specific purpose. There are three popular types of blades. You have your standard, detail, and thick material. Now, if you look closely at your blade, you'll see that the tip is angled. Now, the angle of the blade affects how it makes contact with your material. This angle will determine its ability to cut certain types of materials and designs. The standard blade on nearly every single vinyl cutter is going to be a 45-degree blade. This is your workhorse blade, and it'll handle a wide variety of materials, especially with your heat transfer vinyls. Now, the detail blade is typically a 25 to 30-degree blade, and it will help you cut your small lettering and other intricate designs. So if your standard blade is having a hard time cutting your fine details, you may want to invest in a detail blade for your cutter. Finally, we have the thick material blade, and this is going to be a 60-degree blade. The steeper angle and deeper blade depth allows the blade to cut through thicker materials with ease. It's also a good idea to have a 60-degree blade on hand to cut glitter, flock, and other thicker materials. Now, because every blade comes down at an angle, there is a slight distance from the center axis of the blade and where it actually makes contact with the material. We must compensate for this distance by offsetting the blade position very slightly. A different degree of blade will require a different offset value. So every blade must have the offset adjusted according to the manufacturer's specification. If your offset is not properly set, you'll notice your cutter having issues or difficulties with rounding your sharp corners, as well as connecting the beginning and end of a cut. The reason is because your blade is held by a magnetic ball bearing in the blade holder. So when it reaches a corner, the blade will pivot on the material, and the cutter must have the correct offset value in order to cut most accurately as the blade turns the corner. If you have any questions on which blade is going to work best for your application, please feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894. All the products we use today are available at heatpressnation.com. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss out on any of our newest videos. And as always, we'd love to see what you guys are creating. So use the hashtag HPN Creators across all social media. Thank you so much for watching.